Today we're making lime gumdrops. Come on in. Welcome to my home. Today's a really fun one with St. Patrick's Day coming right up. I thought I'd make an easy lime gumdrop recipe, and it is so simple. You are going to love this. Taking my lid, putting it out of the way, I have one pan. To that pan I'm going to add my sugar, and then I have 1.5 cups of applesauce. This is 2 packets of gelatin. That's that unflavored gelatin. Put that in there. And then 2 packages of lime jello. That's all the ingredients, 100%. We're going to take this over to the stove and then bring it to the boil. Stir this constantly and let it boil for 1 minute. After 1 minute, we're going to come back here. We have boiled this for 1 minute. Now I'm going to pour it into my greased, parchment-lined pan. First, I'm going to let this chill for a little bit. Then I'm going to put it into my refrigerator until it is firm. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slice it, but I'm going to use a pizza cutter. I'm just going to spray it lightly with a cooking spray, like a grease spray, and then just use the pizza cutter to slice it. As you can see, it wants to stick. Now you can do all sorts of cute little things, cut them into shapes, cut them into circles. Me, I'm going to go with simple squares. Cut them into however big of shapes that you want. Watch your fingers. You can really smell the lime. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take sugar, and I'm going to put out a pretty good amount of sugar. Smooth that out. Then take my squares, and you guessed it, just roll them around in the sugar. This is going to help absorb some of that moisture. Then I will take the sugar-coated gumdrops and place them on a piece of wax paper and let them dry for about an hour. But you know me, I can't wait for an hour. Let's give these a taste. Those really do. They taste like really good gumdrops. They are very strong in the lime flavor. These are going to make the perfect St. Patrick's Day gifts. Now, if you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. Don't forget, you could probably do this with any flavored jello that you would like. It's so good. I'm actually surprised at how good this is. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.